Hi everyone. I got a couple of Happy Mail packages this week, and I really wanted to show you what I got. One of the boxes I knew exactly what's in because she told me, but I really want to show you because I have such sweet subscribers. This package, however, is something I bought, and I really wanted to show you just because they have such beautiful, beautiful seed packages. This is from Baker Creek. They're a company that does heirloom seeds. What are those? Oh, those are my carrots. That's interesting. It doesn't have a picture of a carrot on it. They're a company that does heirloom seeds. They are mostly organic. And they have really pretty seed packages. Let me bring you in a little closer for this. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Even though that's not a carrot on there, that is a beautiful packages. My guess is they just didn't have their packages ready. These are some seeds I wanted for next spring, and I went ahead and ordered them. I sort of had a credit with them, so but I just thought that their packages are absolutely gorgeous. I had wanted a banana pepper, and in the fall they didn't have any. Oh, and my free gift is purple carrots. Yay! Spring comes early here, so I'm just kind of getting ready. And some of these are things I've never grown before. But I really wanted the stevia. One of the reasons I ordered actually was to get the stevia, and I just didn't really want to. This is a lettuce. This is my stevia, which is a sweetener, and it is plant. And that's the one reason I ordered right now. And they finally had banana peppers, which they hadn't had. This is a small eggplant. We really like eggplant. This is a radish, and I'm not real fond of radishes, but this big white daikon radish, they pickle, and I've had them in restaurants pickled like that, and I thought I would try. We'll see, because I don't know if anything's going to grow. This is the carrot I ordered, and free purple carrots, and this is a medicinal herb. And moringa, I think is what it is. Moringa and cucumber. So, anyways, I thought I would show you those. But then I got this package from Linda Hyam, and she sent me 3 kinds of bubble wrap. Now, oh, this is good because the one I have from Lisa is kind of different. It's more squashed. The little bubble wrap, I need a new piece anyway, so that's good. But I use a lot of little bubble wrap, so I actually have to purchase this for my beads. But I rarely get this big bubble wrap. And then this one, this is even more fun. This is great big giant hard bubbles. So she sent me these for Gelli Plate play. So I am going to have to play again. I'll have to message Barbara and find out if she wants to play again. Just to play with all the bubble wrap that Linda sent me. Which, thank you very much, Linda, because the one I got from Lisa that was big is kind of squashed. And I don't have any of that great big one. And then Linda sent me some... what do you call these? Security envelopes. Ooh, that's a cool. Those are brand new. Oh, look at there. Brand new and 2 different kinds. Oh, but I can tell right now I don't have any of that. Let's cut that one open. It is amazing to me that security envelopes can come in so many different prints. Look at that. It's like plaid, like a we're gonna have to do something with some of these this morning, but oh, that's a new one too. I don't think I have had that one. But thank you, Linda. I really appreciate them. Oh, look at that one. What's that? Look at, this is the same pattern. This has just got more ink. That's very interesting. But Linda also sends the most beautiful cards. So I'm going to open her card. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. Okay, this is a tea bag, guys, it looks like. And there's paint. And then she has drawn these beautiful lines on there. That, Linda, that is absolutely beautiful. I may try something like that this morning. That might be fun. Thank you, Linda. That's a beautiful card. Okay, let's set this aside. And put her card in my happy book. And then we have to do a page in our little mail journal. So I'll put that aside. Wish I had put that in like a pocket. Oh, that's from Lisa. I need to tuck. Oh, it was supposed to be tucked. It just wasn't tucked. Okay. Okay. I want we'll put this in like a pocket. That's what we'll do. We'll put that in like a pocket and then put this, tuck this in because I want it to show. Oh, you can't see. Sorry. Oh, maybe we will cut this off. Just in case I wanted to use the envelope pocket later. I'm just going to actually make it like a tuck. I'm not going to make it totally like a pocket. For some reason, I like tucks better. That way, if something is a little big, it still goes in. I love this book for just popping my notes from y'all in. This has just been the best thing I could have done, is to make myself something just to keep your little notes and well wishes and all those things in. Okay. I want to tuck this in because I want to remember that she sent me all these lovely envelopes. Okay, so now what I think, now that's where I'm going to tuck that, but I want it out here to inspire me, so. I need to find a little page in this little book. Okay. We're just going to do a background here. I'm not going to do any, oh, I could do, what I could do is some ink. That would work. That would work real well. Let's try that. Well, is that going to fit? Okay, it needs to be trimmed up a little bit neater. That fits. And of course we're going to ink the edges. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me, y'all. Hey! Oh! Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey. I never sneeze once. I always have to sneeze twice. And I guess it's going to be 3 times this morning. I do apologize. Woo! Must be dusty or something, or pollen. Who knows? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, this is my inspiration. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the background, I think with some ink. Because I don't want to wait for the paint to dry. That's the deal. I'm going to use my ink pad and see if I can just sort of create some color in the middle. Oh, I like that. Oh, I really like that. That's okay. Now we need a really fine. No, that's not fine. I want a fine black ink pen. Maybe a fine white ink pen. Let's see if this one will write. I like these pigment ink from Signo's. They're Uniball, Uniball Signo ink pens, but sometimes I don't use them enough and they dry out. And that seems to be what's happened to this one. Okay, so I'm not going to fight with that this morning. Let's see if we have another one. It's my fault for not using them all the time. That's the thing. Okay. Well, shoot. I have one more. All right. When they work real nice. Okay, so this is my inspiration. I really like this, Linda. It's very pretty. I flat out copying it just so she knows. It's not my rendition is not near as pretty as hers at all. I can already tell you that. I still love it. I will be doing some more of these, I think. I like this. That's pretty. I think this needs to go up here some. It also might be the pin I chose. This pin is fatter than that one. You might want to choose, if you were to try this, you might want to choose something very fine. But Linda, I love this. Thank you for the wonderful inspiration. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, that's cool. I like that. These bits. I'm going to write with my other pen. Where's my other pen? Oh, I really like that. Linda, that was so much fun. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate everything you do, everything you have sent me. Linda has sort of a stressful job, guys. I mean, right now. So it is so awesome that you sent me this box and thought of me, and I thank you. And I hope you all enjoyed this. Linda, I hope you don't mind my copying you, because that is just beautiful. It's not near as pretty as yours, but I think it is something I'd like to do some more of. Anyways, Linda, thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. Let me read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book and get on with my day. This is the book we're going to read from. If you can see your path laid out in front of you, step by step, you know it's not your path. Your own path you make with every step you take. That's why it's your path. Joseph Campbell. I like that. Okay, guys. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.